This my student here recently got monetized by just uploading YouTube shorts in less than a month. So if you're a short creator, you've been posting videos for a while here and you're not getting the visibility. The tricks that I'm about to share with us in this video, they're literally going to help you because it's more like exposing the exact things he did on his channel that got him to the monetization level. And now, do not get me wrong, don't think that short creators do not make money here on YouTube, because if I should even shock us with the amount of revenue he has made in just these few weeks of monetization, you are going to be surprised. So you have to understand that there are three major ways you can monetize your channel here on YouTube. You can monetize your channel by simply uploading shorts, long form video, or going live. So whichever one you pick, just make sure you're following the right strategies, and before you know it, you have hit the monetization. So try your best to make sure to pay attention as we get right into the video, so that I'll be sharing with us the practical things that he actually did on his channel to get him to the monetization level. Okay, so now first of all, you need to understand that for you to monetize your channel with YouTube shorts, there are two major requirements that YouTube need from you, which is meeting your 1000 subscribers and also meeting 10 million views within the space of 90 days. Okay, so if you're able to meet this requirement, then YouTube is going to be sending you that apply for the partnership program and you are automatically monetized. So even though you monetize your channel with YouTube Shorts, you can still earn from your long videos and also from your live streaming. Okay. So right now I'm going to be going over to my video screen recording right now so that I can share with us the exact pattern he used in uploading his content. So if you're posting shorts, you can steal this strategy. Okay. So there are up to 2 to 3 different patterns he used. So the first one is head over straight to your YouTube app, then go over to this search bar and type trending viral shorts. Then you send it. So now YouTube is going to be showing you viral shorts. You can see this video here. It has 196 million views. Then this one have 131 million views. This one have 3.3 million views, and it was posted just one day ago. So for you to understand that this one self even have high chances of performing well. So the first thing he does, which was when he started earlier, was doing this green screen, that is more like reacting to the viral shots. So now once you click on the viral shot, go ahead and tap on this button. You will see this collab, you will see green screen, use this template, use this sound, cut this video. So you can as well decide to use either this cut this video, collab, or green screen. But the one he makes use of more is this green screen. So it's more like you reacting to the video. You know, it's a funny video, so you're meant to like show either surprise expression or funny expression. Do you understand? And the next thing is to go ahead and click on done. Then it's going to be bringing you over to the other homepage. I don't know why I'm trying to access this, but it's not working on this particular phone. Okay, so now once it takes you to the camera angle, what you just need to do is to stay by one corner of the screen and more like reacting to the video in a funny way. So the reason why I said you should try out a video that has gone viral before is because for the fact that that video went viral and made a lot of people to laugh, there is every chances that if you're reacting to that same video, it is as well going to go viral. So these are videos that can give you your 10 million views within a short period of time. Okay, then the next thing you should do, let's go back to this particular video here that had 3 million views, that was posted just one day ago. Now this is the video here. So first thing first, always study the video and try to know what exactly made it go viral. Is it the sound, or is it what is being displayed on the screen? So sometimes it can be the sound, which is the second thing he does. Sometimes it can just be what that was being displayed on the screen. Okay, so let's assume that this particular video, what made it to go this viral is the sound that was used. Now for you to reuse the sound, what you simply need to do is to go ahead and click under here, and you're going to be seeing that use this sound. So once this use this sound pop up, What you just have to do is to create your own video. But before you even go ahead to use this sound, always try to take note of the visibility this particular sound have. That is, if you look up here, you see that this Fendi 2 has 186k shots, and just go through the videos to see how many views. That is the kind of visibility it gave the people that actually recreated the sound. So that should also give you a clue of the chances of your video performing well. Okay, so once you're done, go ahead and click on use the sound. You can maybe get a video on Facebook or maybe TikTok. Just make sure you are getting the video without the watermarks from any of the apps. Okay, then bring it down here and post it. So before posting this, you know this YouTube policy is becoming tighter every day. You can as well add maybe a short video of yourself beside it, reacting to it. Maybe all these AI baby videos dancing, and you just stay by the corner reacting to it. I was watching a creator here that does this particular kind of content only on this YouTube, and this person is making a lot of money. Because if you remember, I said earlier on that for you to make money on YouTube Shorts, you just need to apply the right strategy. Gone are the days whereby we'll be shouting YouTube Shorts does not pay. YouTube Shorts pays only if you know the right strategy to it. If you're able to get US audience as your viewers on YouTube Shorts, if you're able to post strategically, then you're going to make good money. You know, unlike long form con the highest you can post in a day is once. Maybe in a week you can post like 4 or 5 times, just so you don't bore your audience with too many videos. But as a short creator, you have every chances to post 5 or 6 short videos in a day. So have you seen that you have the chances of going more viral and getting the visibility, and the more the views are coming in, the more money you are making. And also, if you're a follower of my channel, I could remember sometimes last year that I did a channel setup for one of my students that got monetized, posting YouTube shorts. I shared the revenue with us here, and most of us sent me email back then because the pay was really, really surprising. So what actually made that my student to hit that amount of revenue is the fact that he had US audience, and the kind of short form content he was posting is basically based on celebrities gist, celebrities news. All this news about Beyonce, news about Cardi B, those are 1 minute short, 2 minutes short. These kind of videos on YouTube here tend to make a whole lot of money, because those kind of videos you do not even need um anything much. Just go to TikTok, get different videos of Cardi B, go to Instagram, get different videos of her, then bring it down here to YouTube. Look for a viral sound that you can place under it, and go ahead and generate AI voiceover for it and use it for the video. That is all. It's more like faceless content, and it pays very, very well. Okay, so you just have to understand that whichever pattern you decide to choose to make money here on YouTube, it's possible only if you apply the right strategies to it. I used to speak against shorts before, but after reviewing some of my student earnings from shorts, I was really, really surprised. So you can make money from shorts, but it depends on your niche, it depends on the audience and the duration of your content. Okay, so just try your best to make sure to apply it if you're a short creator, and you'll be glad you did so. Now, if you have any question of any type, go down to the comment section and drop it. And in my next video, I'm going to be with us. And also, in my next video, I might be sharing with us on how to actually attract and get subscribers from simply uploading YouTube short, because this process I shared with us is not only going to give you views, but it will give you subscribers as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this particular video, and as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. What happened? Oh? So these are the three major ways that you can use on your channel as a short creator for you to get your viral videos and get the channel monetized as well. Other means are you simply uploading faceless videos. Faceless videos, it could be kids content. Faceless videos, it could be storytelling content. These are the kind of videos that tend to perform very well on shorts. What you just have to do is to get consistent with it. Always try your best to show up at least 2 to 3 videos every day, because as a short creator, you need to be always updating your homepage, your channel with shorts, so that you can get the chances to be pushed out very well. Do you understand? So just try your best to make sure to apply it if you're a short creator, and you'll be glad you did so. Now, if you have any question of any type, go down to the comment section and drop it. And in my next video, I'm going to be with us. And also, in my next video, I might be sharing with us on how to actually attract and get subscribers from simply uploading YouTube short, because this process I shared with us is not only going to give you views, but it will give you subscribers as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this particular video, and as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.